The WUUK 2K outdoor security system offers an impressive battery life of up to 240 days on a single charge, which is ideal for minimizing maintenance. One of the standout features is that it requires no monthly fee, and the base station provides 32 gigabytes of local storage for up to 365 days of video recording. With a 2000K video resolution, 135-degree viewing angle, and 10 times digital zoom, this system ensures crystal clear video quality both day and night. The system is fully compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and IFTTT, allowing for seamless integration and voice control. This security system can support up to 8 wireless cameras connected to a single base station, making it highly scalable for larger properties. The integrated motion sensors, spotlight, and anti-theft alarm add an extra layer of security, ensuring your home is well protected against unwanted visitors.